Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A1x and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So first of all, we have to open the camera app and right now we are in the standard photo mode. So let's switch to the video one. Just open the video, and if you can see the red color inside the shutter button, it means that for sure you're on the video mode. So right now we can take a look at this option bar at the top, and right in the middle we've got the resolution. After tapping on it, because we had a 1080p option, after tapping on it we will set 720p, and tapping on it again we've got the 1080p, which simply means that we've got only two different options from which we can choose, and this is how you can change them. Whenever you will change it, so for example set 720p, it is immediately applied, so from now on your device will record the videos in chosen resolution. So basically that's all. This is how to change video resolution in your OPPO A1x. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.